Hey, I'm Clena and welcome to my channel. Let's fix some quick, sumptuous dinner or lunch. On the menu today is oven grilled or roasted juicy chicken with some potatoes. So without wasting your time, let's dive right in. I'm going to start with the spring onions, which is one of the ingredients, but first we have to cut and wash them.
What am I supposed to do? I can't.
Now the other ingredients that are some ginger, onion, garlic, stock cube, pepper, the previously washed spring onions, some parsley, and obviously some salt, which is more like, the Holy Spirit. Even though you don't see it, you know it's there. So don't forget that in the description box, you will find all the ingredients and their quantity. So check them out. So done with the introduction, it's now time to put everything together, and we are going to start by preparing the marinade for the chicken. So I'm going to blend all my ingredients together to create the seasoning.
I can't think. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I can't.
Just know that you can gauge any of these ingredients based on your preference, and feel free to experiment with sage instead of parsley. Add some aniseed or curry or any spices of your choice. Just feel free to make this recipe yours.
What am I supposed to do?
So now the chicken, which I previously washed and cleaned, as you can see, and it's ready for the marinade. But first, let's make some incisions just to make sure that the seasoning penetrates through it. Okay, now we can put everything together and massage the thighs, making sure the marinade gets everywhere. And please leave a little bit of the marinade for the potatoes later on, about 2 spoons, not more. And when we are done with that, we are going to put this into the fridge and let it sit for at least 4 hours. So read a book, drink some wine, sleep, or do whatever you're going to do. But just come back in 3 hours time so we can continue with the potatoes before the chicken is ready. It's now the turn of the potatoes, so let's wash them, dry them, chop them, and cook them for at least 5 to 10 minutes with some salt and a little bit of sugar if you want.
What am I supposed to do? I can't.
Make sure they are all of more or less the same size. So the small ones I'm going to cut into 8 parts and the bigger ones into 12. So as previously stated, we are going to cook this for 5 to 10 minutes, not more, because we don't need to completely cook it. And while that is happening, I'm going to chop the rest of my ingredients that I'm going to use for the potatoes. And at this point, the potatoes should be ready. So I'm going to strain them and I'm going to add some butter, the chopped rosemary and garlic, the rest of the marinade that we left from the chicken, and I'm going to mix this together. And if you check on your watch, you should realize that by now the chicken should be, or at least 4 hours must have gone by. So now we just have to add the potatoes to the chicken, put them into the oven for 220 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes, and food will be ready.
What am I supposed to What am I supposed to do? Yeah. I can't.
Two, three, one, and voila, our food is ready. And I hope that was quite easy to make. So as usual, if you love what you saw or if you like what you see, please do not forget to support the channel by subscribing, liking and sharing. And hey, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Till next time, till the next recipe, it's au revoir for now.